It's a 2015 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
For the entire car buying and ownership process, Sam Pack's 5-star Ford Carrollton is here to help. Call, click, or stop in today. We're located at I-35E and Crosby Road in Carrollton, Texas.